So whenever you're in a transition, whether it be from season to season or a life transition, there's a lot of fear attached to it. So this is a mudra that helps us maintain that open, curious, hopeful approach to these life transitions. So the hand position is quite simple. All you do is interlace the fingers loosely. The thumbs are not interlaced. And then just rest your hands either on your lap or on a surface. And your palm is facing up. Okay? So Ushas actually means dawn. And the Ushas Mudra supports us in welcoming each day enthusiastically as a field of infinite possibilities. As we embrace each day more openly, with fewer expectations of how things should be, stress and tension are reduced naturally. By welcoming each day more positively, we release judgments that we hold about ourselves and others, and allow us to celebrate life as it is, rather than complaining about how we would like it to be. And when we embrace each day as a field of appreciation and learning, we're able to live more in the present moment. With greater presence and appreciation, all of our talents and possibilities unfold naturally, which help create a cycle of well-being, vitality, and creativity. So the Ushas Mudra directs the breath, the awareness, and the energy to your entire torso. It facilitates full yogic breathing, which instills a sense of harmony. The gesture is all about balancing inhale and exhale, and activates the flow of breath through both nostrils evenly. The combination of harmonious breathing and a greater sense of equanimity helps to establish a balance of will and surrender in all of our activities. And this balance allows us to engage life completely while recognizing that the final results of our actions are often beyond our personal control. Ushas Mudra helps clear the mind, reducing negative thinking, and allows us to meet the new projects and activities with a sense of openness and curiosity. And with this greater harmony, enthusiasm, and clarity, we are able to unfold all of our possibilities and appreciate every moment of living. So if your eyes are not already shut, you might want to do so now. Here's your guided meditation. Dawn of a new day. As you hold the Ushas Mudra, take several natural breaths to attune to all the feelings and the sensations awakened by the gesture. Notice how your breath flows smoothly throughout your entire torso, from the base of your body all the way to the top of your chest. Sense the inhaling, cultivating a sense of enthusiasm and uplifting energy, while the exhale instills a sense of serenity, allowing you to relax a bit more. The balance of enthusiasm and serenity allows us to greet each day as a unique opportunity to unfold all of our talents and possibilities. To cultivate this more open way of seeing, visualize yourself in the pre-dawn, ready to embrace the new day with fresh eyes, as if seeing life for the very first time. With the sun's first rays, take several breaths to visualize the sky transformed into a watercolor of orange and gold, a canvas upon which all of your possibilities can naturally unfold. The background of this watercolor is a clear blue sky, a reflection of your own openness and receptivity. It inspires you to paint your life canvas creatively. As the sun rises slowly, its soft light bathes each part of your body progressively, allowing you to absorb the brilliance of this new dawning day. Begin by taking several breaths to sense the sun's rays softly illuminating your face, allowing you to see life in fresh, new ways. Now the rising sun gently warms your throat and your neck. Take some time to sense the growing clarity in which you're able to communicate positively and authentically. Infused with clarity, sense the dawn's rays bathing your shoulders and your chest. Take several breaths to fill your heart with this uplifting energy and your lungs with vitality. Your arms and your hands now receive the dawn's growing light, which enhances your sensitivity, allowing you to touch and be touched by other beings in a natural balance of giving and receiving. As the sun's rays rise higher, it gently warms your solar plexus, awakening the inherent self-esteem that allows you to overcome any and all challenges that you meet along your journey. Now the sun's full strength illuminates your pelvis, your legs, and your feet as you take several breaths to sense the support of the earth beneath. This allows you to step forward in life confidently. The sun's full rays have burned the early morning mist away, which reflects your openness and clarity, allowing you to appreciate the miracle of this transition, this new day. With openness and clarity, repeat the following 3 times, aloud or silently. I receive each new day openly and enthusiastically as a field of infinite possibilities. I receive each new day openly and enthusiastically as a field of infinite possibilities. I receive each new day openly and enthusiastically as an infinite field of possibilities. Slowly release the gesture, move your fingers around, take several natural breaths to sense these infinite possibilities. And as you're ready, gently blinking your eyes open, returning slowly and gently, welcoming each new day as a marvelous mystery.